How about cherry and peach cobbler like grandma used to make? That's right. We got our self-rising flour, we got our milk, we got our sugar, we got our butter, and we got our cherries, and we're gonna mix them all together and we're gonna make them on our Z Grills smoker. That's right, folks. We're cooking these cobblers outside. Look at these cherries. They are gorgeous. I love a cherry cobbler and I love a peach cobbler. Leave a comment below. Let me know which one you like. But we got our, like I said, our sugar, our flour, our butter. Mix it all together with our two peaches, 2 cans of peaches, that says. We got our milk in here as well. We're going to mix this all together and make 2 of them. Because you know why we're going to make 2 of them? Because we can. And they just taste good. And they're good summertime desserts. We're going to do it on our Z Grills smoker, outdoors, having fun with the family. And you can bring these to a picnic and people think, wow, you guys cooked these? Yeah, we did. And we did it on a smoker. And they get that smoky but sweet taste. It tastes phenomenal. You put them at 350 on the smoker, slide them in because you got enough room. And then they sit for an hour and 20 minutes. And when you are done with them, they come out gooey, yummy. And I will catch you in the next cook.